Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Midnight Frisian. Today we'll be talking about Theory Time and her video that states that she wants to quit Star Stable. And her reasons why strike me as, well, it strikes as concerning to me. And I will tell you why in just a few seconds. So basically, her video got removed for no apparent reason. She was not using copyrighted music in this video, nor was she using copyrighted content. It was just a video about the new quarter horses with some non-copyright music. That's it. For some random reason, this copy strike got accepted. And I think that YouTube's leaving the mods up to the copy striking right now, because of obviously coronavirus and all that other stuff going around, and everyone is just all quarantined right now, and so I bet YouTube is depending on the moderators to deal with the copy strikes and pretty much everything else on YouTube, which is really annoying and should not happen. So she didn't do anything wrong. No copyrighted music, no anything. Somebody just wrote up a few claims about her for just shits and giggles. It's really disgusting. And they're apparently doing this to other people online too, so that's one of the other main reasons why I feel it is appropriate to talk about this. Other Star Stable YouTubers or YouTubers in general should help each other out, and this is just seems like harassment at this point. Let me rephrase that. This is harassment. This is disgusting. These people also have the audacity to be like, oh, guys, I've got over 70 emails accepting my claims. This is stupid. Who in the right mind would accept these claims if she did not do anything wrong? Like, people obviously do not think most of the time before they do. Are these just seriously just bored teenagers trying to upset everybody in a community that's done nothing wrong, that just wants to continue making content? This honestly seems very stretched. If this is real, this is very sad and pretty dang pathetic. This person did not deserve to be threatened or anything like that, especially her channel taken away. This is stupid, dude. Why? She does gameplays. She makes new horse colors, non-Star Stable, just fan made. She's very creative too. She's very talented in the work that she does, and she does theories and stuff. So, why attack somebody you don't need to attack? So to no surprise, this video was taken down and she was given a strike, and the strike ends within 48 days or 84 days. My goodness. Okay, and they're attacking somebody that doesn't need to be attacked. I don't know if they have a reason for doing this, but what they're doing is obviously wrong, and I'm gonna help spread this word because this is just terrible. And if anybody else got attacked, it's I don't know, I just feel wrong, dude. And we need to stop this, obviously, because if people are just gonna get more attention, the more they do this, and the more they get people to stop playing Star Stable or making videos about it, they win. And we obviously don't want them to win because they're terrible. And what they're doing is, I don't, are they trying to destroy the Star Stable community? I don't really know. Maybe they're just the YouTubers, or maybe they just have something wrong with this particular person. Here's some more threats. Said, I don't care at all how you did stuff like that or what the right terms are. Then kindly get the off my DMs and keep making videos until I false strike your behind in the future. The fact that they actually admit to false striking her is kind of sad, and I don't know. Find it just a little fishy. It would be overly stupid on their part. It's a little sketchy to me, though. If this is actually real, it's really sad and disappointing, and it needs to stop. So now they're just saying that, oh hey, look, I put a copy claim on your video here, and that's like, okay, dude, why? Well, apparently these people have also been hacking email addresses, doxing people, and hacking accounts. I get, yeah, that's terrible. The only question I have is why? Why would they be doing this? They apparently she also said that they've been sabotaging and by hacking down Star Stable server. So they've basically just been hacking Star Stable. Now that's also very hard to believe because Star Stable has very serious and strict firewalls, and they're very hard to get past, especially other moderators too. You'd think that they would have caught on by now, like Star Stable. So I know that they work from home even on their servers. So they're very aware of what goes on in their servers and around them. So it would be that's a little hard to believe. They've apparently been doing the same things to other companies. Now, and one other thing I don't particularly understand is why these people would attack Star Stable servers and other people's companies and attack a Star Stable YouTuber. But why? So apparently she cannot do anything about this because she does not have a lawyer, or like she doesn't want to give out her information because apparently in order to counter strike it you need to give them some sort of personal information that she does not want to give. That's understandable. And Star Stable, of course, I think I've said this before, has sent legal threats about the situation to them. So I this is honestly just really sad. And again, they continue to pester her and harass her by saying, "Strike your video again, kid. Keep uploading more. I'll flag everyone." Okay. Why are they doing this to this person in particular? I don't know if this is randomized when they choose their victims, but if we could rise up and stop these people, I do not know their star or their name on YouTube or their username or email for that matter. So just keep an eye out for these people. If you do see people like this, please do call them out on your channel. If they do flag it, tell us, like, tell everyone actually, and we will back you up on it so this kind of stuff doesn't happen because this is pathetic. There is one other reason why she wants to quit Star Stable, other than the fact that Star Stable has grown a little unappealing to her. The reason is Copa. Now, in Copa's situation, I mean, you can choose if your channel is kid friendly or just a video is kid friendly or not. If you say that it is kid friendly, then your comments and your likes get taken away. But if I play a gameplay as Star Stable and YouTube may think that it's for kids, I can label it as kid for not for kids if I want to, and I will not get fined or sued. It's only if you post a video that is obviously not made for kids and then say it's for kids, like let's say rated R movies or clips from that, or just pornographic. Other than that, you should be fine. And the top fine is $42,000. That's a lot of money. And I mean, you should not have any problems unless you are posting something that is obviously not made for kids and then saying it is. That's a big no-no in when it comes to YouTube. And other than that, that's pretty much it. Just we need to like help stand up for each other because this is not going to stop unless all of us come together to stop it. We need to back up this person in stating that she did not deserve this copy strike, and this is sad, and this should not happen. She's a great YouTuber and is very creative, especially with her work and creating these amazing fan-made coats. I would watch this YouTuber and she doesn't do anything bad. And I mean, she's pretty innocent from what I've seen. Okay, there's a few things that aren't so innocent, but anyway, I will see you guys in the next video of Midnight Frisian. Please help this person out. Oh, this person is now posting on Instagram. So please check her out. Actually, I'll put link in description. See you guys in the next video.